Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shannon, and today I thought of testing the new Maybelline Python lip kit. It's like a metallic lip kit. It comes in so much different shades and I picked one and I really wanted to live test this with you. So if you want to see how I put this cute lipstick on, then just keep on watching. Okay, so that's what the package looks like. That's what it looks like. I know you can only see my camera right here, but yeah, that's just the packaging. I think it looks like high-end. That's what it looks like. Like this color right here is the actual lipstick. It looks kind of dark in here, so I'm pretty scared, but it should turn out blue. And that's just like the topping almost. So I will be applying the lipstick with this detailed brush by BH Cosmetics, which is perfect to apply lipstick. Is the number 142. So I will just go in that blue color and pop that onto my lips. Okay, I'm happy it turned out blue because it did look so dark. But yeah, I really hope that I can build up this color. Okay, this is like the first layer, and as you can see, it doesn't cover up as high pigmented as I thought it would be, but I'm going for another layer. It looks so patchy and I don't know. It looks like a midnight blue on the package, but on the lips it looks like a mixture between blue and green. Like, what's that? And the applying process just takes such a long time. I know this isn't a lip color I would wear on a daily basis, but it takes such a long time, you guys. But yeah, if I can use the metallic shade on top over another lipstick as well, then it wasn't completely missed by. Really not happy with the results so far. Okay, so it's getting a little darker. Okay, and next I'm putting on this metallic shade right here, and I just have to put that on with my finger. Feels amazing. Looks like a MAC pigment almost. Ah. You guys, it's so cute. But I now know when to stop, you know. Oh, oh my gosh, you guys. It's so cute. I really hope that the camera catches all these effects because it's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed. I kind of look like a witch now, but I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so and actually it feels amazing on the lips as well. That's it, you guys. I'm so happy with the result. Like, I was like not that happy with applying the blue lipstick, but when it was like all finished, I am like, oh my gosh, overwhelmed by this. I think it's like so cute and I don't know where to wear this, but I really love it. Even if I just wear this for like pictures and stuff like that, yeah, I think it's totally worth the price and I really want to buy more of these colors. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't been subscribed already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post any new videos, I guess. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!